All right, if you picked up a bag from me or one was sent to you, let me just tell you what's inside so that you will know what each part does. So this one here is the paper clay, and that is for making whatever ornament or sculptural elements you want to include in your box. Okay. And it is air dry, so what will happen is it will dry when left for a few hours overnight, and then you will be able to paint it. The papers that you have in the box are, number one is some tissue, and that can be of various different colors. And then you have another set that's all paper clipped together. Once you unclip that, you're going to find that you have one larger square, and this is going to be for the cover of your box. It's 8.5 by 8.5. And then you have two smaller squares, and these are 8 by 8. One will be for the envelope of your box, and one is going to be for the bottom of your box. You will also have two pieces of decorative paper. These are going to be for the cover of your accordion book. So if you look here, here's the accordion book. And it has a decorative cover, and then the pages go inside. So you're going to have both the paper to make that, and you'll want to just follow the video. You will have two pieces of cardboard, which will become the cover, and then you will have some pages that are already glued together for you that will then go inside the cover when you're done. So those are the papers that you're going to find on the bottom. Also, in addition to that, you have a smaller bag, and in that smaller bag you are going to find a few things. So one is going to be Mod Podge, and that is how you're going to collage your colors on. It's also how you're going to put a gloss on your sculpture. You will also have, or you may have, depending on how many where you were in the sequence of me making them, some more arty mulberry paper that you can use for various things. You have a string, and this is where if you decide to make an amulet rather than a sculpture, this will be the string that you use to hang it from. You're going to have a piece of foam, and this foam you can cut and draw into and make a print that you could then incorporate somewhere in your book or on your box. And then you have a toothpick and a popsicle stick, and those are to help you sculpt your clay. So that is all that you're going to find, and if you're getting your own materials, you will want to just follow the same dimensions, and that is outlined in the lesson. All right, I hope you enjoy.